bottle art. Welcome to Sparklebox. Visit our website mysparklebox.com for amazing DIY educational kits. Without further delay, let's get started with our today's DIY. And do subscribe and hit the bell icon to get instant notifications on our new videos. Subscribe to our channel Sparklebox if you are visiting it for the first time, and like and share this video with your friends and family. Share your thoughts about this video in the comment section below, and we're back with another interesting DIY. Until then,